to another video. For today's walk, I'm in South Wales exploring Pen Pych Waterfall and Mountain. The starting location for this hike is Pen Pych Car Park, located near the village of Blaencwm at the head of the Rhondda Valley. The path from the car park to the waterfall is around 1.5 kilometres of fairly easy walking. From the waterfall to the mountain viewpoint is another 800 metres, and the path then gets a little narrower and a little steeper. Check out the views from this bench. Pretty epic, I reckon. Autumn is in the air. Get to these rocks, we can go just around the corner here for views of a smaller cascade. As the sign suggests, the path from this point onward gets a little bit more rugged and can be quite slippery underfoot. Pen Pych is one of the highest waterfalls in Wales, and with an impressive 21-metre drop, it's also one of the tallest in South Wales. There's no direct translation of Pen Pych to English, so there are two theories behind what it means. It's either head of the 5 bulls or a hill one longs to climb. Back to the car park, up the mountain. this a signpost here on the right with a footpath forks, and we're going to take the path off to the right and that'll lead us straight to the mountain viewpoint. And that's it, Pen Pych Waterfall and Mountain hike done. Hope you enjoyed it. Diolch am gwylio, thanks for watching, and hopefully see you on the next video.